Jesus freak here. No doubt I've showed my face in the live chats on a couple YouTube channels lately. I might not necessarily agree with them theologically on everything, but in the situation for which I show up on their channels, I absolutely do. For example, as you may know, I'm politically left of center. I've had the Fauci ouchie a couple times, although I don't make a point of getting every new one that comes out. And although I mentioned when they were first trying ivermectin and hydrochloroquine that they were being tested, I left it at that when they found out that they weren't really doing anything. So, in these regards, I have differences of opinion with some of the people I follow. What I generally do is I use the fact that some of these people are fighting the same fight that I want to fight against false Christianity in whatever way they can and whatever way I can. My way is as a complete layman, coming from very little experience, but with a love for God, with a love for His Word. And I have my beliefs. They have their beliefs. But right now, I don't see any reason to fault them. One of them where I show up occasionally in their live chats, and I show up in our live chats, and I've had a few of my lines which were actually Bible quotes to show up on screen during her videos, is Laura-Lynn Tyler Thompson. She used to be on the Canadian version of 700 Club, apparently, according to her website, and for a while she had a program on Daystar Canada. Now, some stuff happened with Daystar. She decided she no longer could be affiliated with them because she figured, as I do, that Daystar gives Christianity a bad name. So, once in a while, when I'm aware of her live streams, I show up there. And I use the opportunity to try to support what she's doing as much as I can. and to point the people in the chat to the true gospel, although I think most of them seem to already know it. And another person I follow, although I usually don't catch when he posts his videos and does the premiere thing with them, whose main purpose these days has also been calling out Daystar, is James P. White, M.Div. As for Divinity, he's a hospital chaplain. He's also exposing Daystar, exposing the people at the top, the corruption at the top. So I've been following these people on YouTube, and you occasionally see me there, and occasionally have commented both there and in my videos about things these people have said. I know I've mentioned James P. White's videos because I said the thing about Joni Lamb and Doug Weiss's marriage. And if you know anything about the situation, you know I use scare quotes there. I'm not entirely on the same side as either of them. But so far as we are on the same side, I'm going to do my damnedest to support them. Because what Daystar promotes is this huckstering, prosperity gospel, faith healing, health and wealth, name it and claim it, blab it and grab it version of Christianity that turns the gospel on its head. And you know what Paul said about people who turn the gospel on its head in the book of Galatians. This is the same reason you'll often see me show up, when I'm aware of it, in the chats for Fighting for the Faith, the Messed Up Church, and Long for Truth. And often this is some of the same thing you'll see when I show up in other similar channels like Revealing Truth. The reason I watch these videos and, do what I can to back these people up is because we're all fighting the same fight against bogus Christianity, ultimately. And that's a fight worth fighting. Jesus, freak out.